Here we have the puff puff tin. Mixing. Okay. The donut tin. Here we have the donuts. Young bakers. We have cookie group. Welcome to the last day of our Feedy Bakery holiday bake time. The children are in group today. We have donut group. We have. What did we make today?
Puff puff.
So here we have our puff puff frying session. What did we make today? Same walk. Ayowa, well done. This is what we are doing this morning. Roll it out. Is it even now? Okay. Don't roll it too thin. So our cookie house constructing. And see how serious we are. Yes, yes, you can. So we made our cookie house today. This is our final. This is the outcome of our project. Yes, Susan, what's the name of your house? Wow. What's the name of your house?
Sophie's house.
Sophie's house. Mayowa.
Mayowa's house.
Wow. Ayomipo.
Mercy's house.
Wow. And Ayomide.
Ruby's house.
Wow. You can see the houses are lovely.
What about your house?
See the house. Yes, this is a masterpiece that we had. So we made our cookie house today. This is our final. This is. Roll it out. Roll out. Competition started. Mommy, you can help in another thing. Okay. It's so fun seeing mommy and daughter, you know, working hand in hand. Wow. Mommy, check your measurements properly. You need to level it. You need to level it.
Mommy, I'm using this one.
Are you done with the rolling?
Yes.
Competition day. We have group 1 here. And here we have group 2. We've come to the end of today's class, and bakers are already eating their pizzas already. What did you make today?
Homemade pizza.
And hope you really enjoyed your time.
Yes, ma.
And today is the last day of our holiday baking time.